My battery is low. Please step on the scale. Your weight is 31 pounds. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
My battery is low.
You gonna brush your hair, Rocco?
Scale.
You brush your hair? Good job.
Please step on the
No,
scale.
you don't need that. Go step on the scale. Go brush your teeth and step on the scale. Rocco, what you doing? You brushing your teeth? Step on the scale.
My battery is low. Please step on the scale. Please step on the scale. Goodbye.
I didn't tell you what you weighed. Oh, careful.
My battery is low. Please step on the scale. Goodbye.
Brush your teeth. No, no.